Making a little meatballs.
Oh my God. Tinidor, yok. Nilagyan ko ng tinidor para maluto talaga lahat.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Today is the first week of spring, and as you can see outside, it's snowing. Yeah, good morning. Nakatulog ako kagabi guys doon sa living room. And then 12 o'clock nagising ako. Nag-transfer ako sa bed kasi So gagawa lang kami ng breakfast. Scrambled egg and bread with onion. Did you put that in the dryer? You used to put that in the dryer?
The robot in the dryer, I think.
Smaller.
Yeah,
It shrunk.
that's right. It's okay.
It's okay to you? So, yun guys. So, let's make a breakfast.
Make a break for it? What?
Breakfast. Where is the third? Oh, they have it here. Oh my God, the snow is not stopping yet, guys. Hindi nag-stop yung snow. Okay. Kala namin maganda na yung kasi spring na. Ito, first week of the spring. Monday, first day of the spring. First week actually. Unpredictable talaga yung dito, guys. Yung weather dito. Sobrang I have to ask Tommy what bread he wants. And do you want regular bread? Your bread rice? Rice pala yung gusto niya, guys. Hindi pala ito. Nako. So, nagustuhan namin ni Tommy yung egg. Nagpatil ka ng egg. And then, lutuin mo yung scallion. Ito, green onion. Yan, lagyan ko siya ng butter and then konting oil para mix. Para hindi na siya butter. Pa! Nagalit si kumong ba? Dito sa New York. May siya ba kasi matitigas din itong mga ulo dito, itong mga New Yorker, mga batanon ba? Mga bata, matigas. Matigas. Sabi pa, last night, 8 o'clock at night, nag-start yung lockdown. Hindi nakinig sa mga sabi na lockdown. Hindi nakinig. Yun. Anyway guys, loto lang ako guys, ha? And may bagong apo si Tommy. Tayo guys, we have to mangangkon tag-apo. Mangangkon sa Bisaya, mangangkon I don't know in Tagalog. Pamangkin ni Tommy. Nanganak na yung asawa ng pamangkin niya, and ang nakakasaya kasi wala silang gender reveal. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung gender ng anak nila, hindi nila alam talaga. And yun. Ngayon nalaman na kahapon 11 o'clock nanganak siya, lalaki. Ayaw nilang mag-reveal gano'n. Gusto nila surprise. Lalaki yung anak. Sobrang exciting. What the heck are you doing, hon? You're kicking everything. You kick it back. That's what I said. You kick everything.
Take some of my sausage and put it in.
It's already done. It's already... You know egg cook really like... You have to do the sausage. You put it in the refrigerator. Do you want to cut it half?
I'll cut it in small pieces.
Why is so small?
I think I'm going to take the chopped meat and make meatballs. I use that big pan and make a bunch of meatballs.
Do you know how to season it?
I do. I don't know if we have any Italian breadcrumbs.
Just put that burger. You have a lot of burger bun. Just make a burger.
No, you're not eating burgers. What's the point?
I will eat if I don't have choice. I have choices.
At least the meatball, we just put it in the sauce. You like the sauce with meatball.
Another boredom attack. Now he is making some...
Meatball.
Huh?
It's a meatball.
Meat the balls?
Meatball.
He's making meatballs.
Meatball.
I don't know what kind of meatballs.
Little meatballs.
Huh?
Little meatballs.
It's like Available. It's like your family name. Available. Here.
I got no breadcrumbs, so I'm doing it without breadcrumbs, but
It's not meatballs, honey, without breadcrumbs.
it will be, because there ain't no breadcrumbs here.
Okay, guys. So it's gonna be fast forward here, Tommy. Okay. While I'm playing, I'm not helping him. This is his fault buying this meat.
Prep work. Prep work.
Okay, Han, be careful, Han, huh? Look at that. Huy, you touch your stuff.
What?
That's not how you do it. When you touch the meat, don't touch anything in
I
here.
know, so I have to watch it while you tell.
Whatever, Tommy. You contaminate everything. No, it doesn't matter. I don't care what you said. It's... Okay, tell me, what do you need? Like, what you want me to put in there? Don't touch anything. You probably touch the meat and touch this.
No, that was all done first.
Yeah, well, you just did it.
Because I forgot the black pepper.
So now what are you doing?
Making a little meatballs.
Han,
You can give me a dish.
You probably-
You can give me a dish. Put 'em in. I wash it. I wash it.
he is done with his thing. Look at him. He put it with the thing, guys. There is a cover in it. Look. Oh, look. I knew it. That's why I can't smell anything. Only garlic. It's still early. It's 10 o'clock. Okay. Dada is making stuff. So me, I am going upstairs and eat it. Let me see outside. Oh, there's no stop. And the birds are eating. Yeah, guys. The snow finally stopped. Hopefully won't come back again. It's freaking spring. Oi! Okay, I'm going up. Okay?
Yep. Have we bring you meatball and stuff?
No. No. Look at my husband, guys. Cannot live without doing anything, oh. Kanina pa yan dyan. Kanina pa yan dyan. So now what are you doing now?
I'm cooking. I'm cooking.
Han, can you please slow down? Han, you just been cooking sausage, cooking meatballs. So now what? Like what? This is what happened when lockdown. The refrigerator is full of food. And now he's look. Can you tell me what are you cooking, honey? Spanish rice?
Hi.
You're cooking Spanish rice, honey? Oh my God. Can you dance again?
Nope. That was it. One dance per customer.
One dance per customer. I'm editing. Ang bango ng niluluto ni Tami na sausage. Nagutom tuloy ako. Pasensya na, guys, ha. Ito lang yung damit ko, suotin ko. Dito lang naman kami. The same thing with Tami.
What's that?
We're wearing the same thing because we're locked down. The same thing. We're just home anyway. Look at this, guys. He is cooking. He is cutting. And... Han, this is where you cook the rice?
Rice in there, yes.
Yeah, but this is where you cook it?
Yeah.
Why there is a lot of oil? And it's dark.
That's because that's the oil I use for the sausage.
The little boy never moved since.
You want to learn how to do it.
Yeah, he want to take your recipe.
I told you, if you want to look at the sausage and meatballs and the rice.
Oh, so why is it over here? Why you don't put it in the freezer?
I gotta cool it down first.
Oh my god.
Don't put it hot in the freezer.
Freezer. There's a lot of food, so Tommy won't get hungry.
Oh, like I said, this way I make a sauce, I just throw some meatballs and sausage into it, and you got a nice sauce. Instead of just tomato sauce. It's like meat in it.
Yeah. Pagkita ko kayo guys ha. Stop it. Look at that. It's snow. It's snow. It's snow. Look at this. It's snow guys. It won't stop. My god. When is this? Is spring?
It is.
It's spring. The tree was happy and now it's like going back to dead. And the tree was already having leaves and now they're going back to dead.
No, it's still got leaves.
I know, but they're gonna get so cold.
It's gonna be warm. Now it'll be warm. This will be just gone.
Malapit nang madisgrasya si Tami Moy. No, grabe yung snow oy. Ito yung spring na iwan. Nag-snow talaga. Malaki pa yung snowflake, oh. Sobrang laki pa yung snowflake. Grabe naman ito. It's kinda windy too. So, sabi pa ni Tami, tikman daw natin yung ano niya. Rice, tikman natin. Maghugas din ako dito and then balik ako sa taas. Masarap siya. Masarap. Pero ano siya, kakaiba this time kasi parang may basa-basa siya kaunti. Hindi siya katulad ng first gawa ni Tami. Kasi iba kasi dito, electric kasi, and then hindi yung kaldero yung ginamit iba. Look. Akala ko naging failed. Alam nyo guys, hilaw sana yan. Alam nyo ba kung anong ginawa ko? Katulad ng sa parents ko, palagi silang kapag hilaw yung rice, hilaw sana ito, kanina hilaw. So, pinabayaan ko lang siyang maluto, pero nilagyan ko ng look. Tinidor. Tinidor, yok. Nilagyan ko ng tinidor para maluto talaga lahat. Kasi kanina hilaw talaga yan as in puti. Kasi nilakasan nyo yung apoy, sunog yung sa ano, sa puwitan. And then, yung tubig na, as in, naalis agad. And then, hilaw pa. Sabi ko, lagyan natin ng ano. Pinagtatawanan pa ako dahil daw ano, bakit daw nilagyan ko ng tinidor. Sabi pa niya, oy, nawala yung tinidor. Nagmi-melt. Kalokat ng si Tami. What? Let's go. It's right there. Yung kapitbahay namin doon. And then doon. Yung langit guys is puting-puti talaga oh. Puting-puti. Parang paulan na ito ba? the same day, the same clothes, the same bags. Hello guys, kumusta po kayong lahat dyan guys? Ito na lang yung ginawa natin guys. Kakain lang kami kasi it's time to eat na. Yung mga alaga namin, kumakain naman sila, pinakain na namin. So yun, kain kami na naman yung kakain. Kasi time to eat na naman. And then pagkatapos niyan, tulog, gising, kain, relax, pahinga, tulog, kain. ito yung ginagawa namin. Oh my Lord. Oh my God, yung mata ka, bakit masapwet? Ito yun guys, akala ko papayat ka dahil nag-lockdown. Hindi ka pala papayat guys, tataba ka, tataba. Dito pa kakainin. So, plano namin bukas, umaga, pag kakain kami ng breakfast, kakain kami ng oatmeal kasi mayroong oatmeal doon na malaki. And, meron tayong banana. So, yun. And, sabi pa ni Tami, tumatawag siya. Kahit sino yan, tinatawagan niya. Oh, guys, bad news, guys. Alam nyo ba? Hindi ito katatawa. Pero, sobrang bad news ngayon today kasi si Tami nakatanggap ng na yung niya, tawag nito yung kasi niya may something na yung letter C na word. Hindi yung corona, hindi yung virus ngayon, yung ibang letter C. So naano ako guys, oh my god, naano ako ba? Ano ba tong mga nangyayari sa mundo? And then ang asawa ng ng Tami, yung lalaki na kapatid niya, nagkaano siya, nakakuha siya ng yung problema ngayon dito sa mundo. My husband is walking everywhere with the wet stuff and the floor is so wet. So yun, yung babae at saka yung asawa niya ngayon, unang asawa ng kapatid ni Tami, nag-asawa na siya ngayon, 'di ba? May asawa na silang dalawa. Nagkaano sila, sakit. So bukas is birthday ni Bianan, hindi namin alam. Tami plan to go to cemetery. I don't know if it's a good idea. But,
What?
No.
What do you mean no?
I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna have, you know what, your rice turned good because I put fork. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you just laugh at me guys when I put,
Yeah, that extra little metallic taste.
guys, kain tayo guys. Yung ulam ko is, malaki yung mukha ko kasi kain ng kain. Yung ulam ko is yung chicken tinola. At saka yung guys, the vinegar and a lot of sili. Grabe. Ang sarap. Han, the soup is good leftover. Leftover is good, han. I have rice, I have pasta. Sarap ng sabaw.
I'm pleased to report that, but it will also reduce the risk for exposure to the coronavirus. The drain on personal protective equipment, which check will discuss in just a few moments, to meet the supply and give of the sick.
Praising what is wrong.
If you don't have virus test, every available to people will be issuing today the labs, all state laboratories, all hospital laboratories will receive a report of the supply chain. We're at John leading that up today to evaluate the country to produce even more critical medical, maybe as diverted by York and so we know a few examples of companies set forward. And I know I discussed with ventilators. Here tonight to talk about that, figuring out where it is. There are many vendors, many distributors, industry partners in it.
Hi guys, it's 9 o'clock na guys. We're gonna end the vlog. I just been lying down over there. Halaka guys. Han, my face is so round, Han. My God, I gained a lot of weight just eating all that soup. We're gonna have ice cream. I know it's not good, but how do I know if vanilla, honey? The box is not open. How many is inside?
3.
3 only? This is Magnum. Okay, Sammy get the Magnum ice cream. Now we don't know which one is. What do you want here? Anyway, guys, so I'm going to end the vlog. We are going to end the vlog because we are going to just like he's doing something, but he's still wearing the same thing. But guys, he washes this, so he's clean. I love you. Good night, sir.
Hi guys.
See you tomorrow with the boring another lockdown time. Who's Nina, Han?
Nina?
Nina. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's eat.
Right here?
I don't know, yeah. Okay guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Vanilla. Bye.